Welcome back to Explain CAD. In this tutorial, we will create a pneumatic gripper sport link. This is the drawing of pneumatic gripper sport link. First of all, we create this view. For that, I select right plane, sketch, normal. I draw line, midpoint line. Select this point. Right click, select option. Select this line. Make it vertical. Again, select this line. Construction geometry. Smart dimension 28 mm. Right click, select option. Now we create two circles of diameter 6 mm both sides and two more circles with radius 6. It means radius 6 means diameter 12 mm. I select circle command. Draw two circles with same center point on this side. Similarly here, draw two circles at same center point. Right click, select option. Select this circle, press and hold control button. Select this circle. Make equal. Select this circle and this circle, make equal. Smart dimension, diameter of this circle 6 mm, diameter of outer circle 12. Right click, select option. Select line command. Select this quadrant of the circle, this point and this point. Right click, select option. Again select line command, select point and this point. Right click, select option. Trim entities. Trim this portion of circle and this portion. Similarly this portion and this portion. Right click, select option. Our sketch is fully defined. Come back from the sketch. Now extrude it up to 20 mm. Go to features, extrude it boss base feature. Select mid plane. Here select 20 mm. Select OK. Now select this face. Sketch, normal. Now we create two cuts. This side 14 mm. From here to here 10 mm. In this side, distance from here to here, this is 5 mm. I select rectangle, corner rectangle, draw one rectangle here and one rectangle here. Right click, select option. Smart dimension from here to here 5 mm. Similarly here from here to here, this is also 5 mm. From here to here, the length is 14 mm. This side also 14 mm. Right click, select option. Select this line. Press and hold control button. Select this edge. Make collinear. In this side 10 mm. This side also 10 mm. Right click, select option. Come back from the sketch. Extruded cut. Select through all. Select OK. Now we create a hole of 6.8 mm diameter through all. The location of this hole from here, this is 20 mm, and from here to here, this is 10 mm. I select this face, sketch, normal. I select circle command, draw one circle here, right click, select option, smart dimension 6.8 mm. From here to here, this is 20 mm, and from here to here, this is 10 mm. Right click, select option, come back from the sketch, extruded cut, select through all, select OK. Now this part is complete. Give it some color. Edit appearance. I select yellow color. Select OK. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe Explain CAD.